Welcome to our channel RB Creators Media. Today's video on the 5 hidden features of Threads, the messaging app by Instagram. In this edition, we will unveil some of the lesser known functionalities that Threads offers, allowing you to make the most out of your messaging experience. Whether you are an avid Threads user or just getting started, these features will surely enhance your conversations and interactions. Join us as we dive deep into the amazing world of Threads by Instagram. Feature 1. Auto Status Updates. Have you ever wished for a seamless way to keep your friends updated on your status without manually updating it every time? With Threads, you can do just that through auto status updates. Feature 2. Close Friends Integration. Threads takes the concept of close friends on Instagram to a whole new level. By syncing with your close friends list, Threads allows you to have focused conversations with the people who matter most. Feature 3. Status Reminders. How often have you forgotten to update your status in Threads? Well, say goodbye to those worries with the handy feature of status reminders. Feature 4. Customizable Themes. Personalization is the key to making your conversations enjoyable and unique. Threads offers a range of customizable themes to add a personal touch to your messaging experience. Feature 5. Search Filters. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through endless messages to find a specific conversation? Threads simplifies this process by providing search filters. And there you have it, the 5 hidden features of Threads by Instagram. We hope you enjoyed this exploration and are now equipped with these secret gems to enhance your messaging experience. Start using these features today and revolutionize the way you connect with your friends on Threads. RB Creators is now on Instagram and Facebook. Do follow pages to stay updated. Links given in the description. Do subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, give a thumbs up, share as much you can and give your views over the comment below.